Welcome to Stories in Color. Today we are going to draw a giraffe, tall, gentle, and full of charm. First, we quickly draw the mane, ears, and horns. Use short, soft lines for the mane. Add 2 small ears on the sides and 2 rounded horns on top of the head. Now let's draw the face. Complete the shape of the head with smooth lines. Add the nostrils at the bottom of the face. Then draw 2 gentle eyes. Giraffes have the longest eyelashes of all land animals. Their long lashes protect their eyes from dust, sun, and tiny insects. Next, draw the long neck with spots. Draw a tall, smooth neck under the head. Add big, irregular spots along the neck. Every giraffe has a unique pattern, just like fingerprints. Now, draw the body. Add a rounded body under the neck. Keep the line simple and soft, just like in a storybook. Finally, let's color the giraffe. Use yellow, orange and brown. Make the spots darker and the body lighter. Enjoy mixing colors and bringing your giraffe to life. We are so happy you spent this creative time with us. Drawing is not only fun, it helps us relax, use our imagination, and tell stories with colors. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Your support helps us grow, create more drawing videos, and share new stories every week. Stay creative, keep drawing, and remember, every picture is a story. See you next time in Stories in Color.